Here's how we can erase all data and perform hard reset of iPhone 17. So the first method is quite simple. You just have to go to settings, over here choose general, and if you scroll all the way down you should be able to find transfer or reset iPhone, and then at the bottom we have erase all content and settings. You will see the summary of everything that will be removed, which is pretty much everything, so remember to make a backup of everything that is important that you don't want to lose, and once you are ready press continue and follow the rest of the steps. Now in case you don't have the passcode, if you don't remember the passcode and you don't have a Face ID in order to unlock the device, then you can also use for example your computer in order to erase the data. Now unfortunately I don't have a Mac, so I cannot really show you how to do this on Mac, but I know the steps, so let me quickly tell them. Essentially, if you have a Mac, then you want to use the Finder. You want to go to Finder window, and then you should be able to find the iPhone icon, and then you should be able to click also on a general, and there will be an option to restore iPhone. So you want to choose that option in order to erase all data. And if you don't have Finder on your Mac, then you can also use iTunes, and then you should be able to also have the option to erase all data. However, in order to do that, something that I didn't actually mention, what you need to do also prior to the steps is you need to connect your iPhone to your computer with the USB cable. So you need to keep that in mind, because otherwise your iPhone or actually your Mac won't be able to detect it. And the same goes with the Windows. So if you have Windows computer, then in that case you want to do pretty much the same thing, just use the USB cable and connect it to your computer. And in that case you want to use a different app. In the case of Windows, you need to get Apple devices, which you can get for free from the Microsoft Store. And if you connect your iPhone, you should be able to click over here. You can go to General, and here we have Restore iPhone. Now, in case you have to use the passcode, but you don't remember the passcode, then we can also use the recovery mode on the iPhone. So while our iPhone is connected to our computer with the USB cable, we can turn off our iPhone. So we can use either volume button and the side button. You want to hold these two buttons and then slide to the right in order to shut it down. We need to wait for the iPhone to completely turn off and power off, I mean. And once that is done, you want to press and hold your side button. I mean the side button on the iPhone 17. So you want to press and hold the side button until you actually see the recovery mode. So once you see the Apple logo, you want to still keep holding, and there we go. Now once you see this, then we are in the recovery mode. And now whether you have the Finder on Mac, or if you have Apple devices, or if you use iTunes, you will probably see this window where it will say that there is a problem with the iPhone that needs to be updated or restored. So in our case, you want to choose Restore, and if for some reason you don't have that window, then you should still be able to choose the iPhone from the list, and you can click on Restore iPhone. In addition to that, you can also use the iCloud.com website, and if you sign into your Apple account, then you should be able to scroll down over here and go to Find My in this place. Then on the left side, you should be able to find your iPhone 17, so you want to click on it, and then in here you have the erase option, so you want to select it in order to remove everything from your iPhone 17. And that is pretty much it. In case you want to exit the recovery mode, then you just want to press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. And of course you can unplug the USB cable as well, as you don't need it anymore once you are done with the hard reset. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.